Hi everyone, myself Tokir Sheikh. I am going to present a PPT on an interesting topic called as linear regression under the guidance of our professor. Um Here's the content of my PPT. Regression. What is regression? Linear regression line, which is also called as least square line. Properties of linear regression and some code snippets. Regression. Almost all the businesses involve relation between two or many variables. For example, what determines the sales level, like demand, supply, and other stuffs. Regression analysis is used to develop an equation to show that that two of the variables are related. The variable which is predicted is called as dependent variable and is denoted by x y, while the variable which is used to predict is called as independent variable and it is denoted by x. Linear regression. The simple linear regression involves one independent and one dependent variable. It's approximately a straight line when drawn on a graph. The equation of this linear regression model is y is equal to b0 plus b1x plus e, where b0 and b are called parameter of models. B0 is the y-intercept, b1 is the slope, and e is the random variable, or called as error term. Least square regression line or linear regression line. It's one of the most popular method to draw a regression line on XY plot. Uh, this process determines the best possible line for the given data by reducing some of the squares of vertical deviations from each data points. Since the variations are first squared added, the positive and negative both values will not get cancelled. As we can see in this graph, properties of linear regression. The regression properties of linear regression are for the parameters b0 and b1 are defined, are as follows. The line reduces the sum of squares difference between observed values and predicted value. The regression line passes through the mean of x and y variable values. The regression constant b0 is equal to the y-intercepts of a linear regression. The regression coefficient b1 is the slope of regression line, and it's equal to the average change in the dependent variable y for any unit change in the independent variable x, which means that if we change the values of x, the automatically the values in y will get changed as their y is dependent on x. Here are some of the code snippets. First we imported numpy as np and pandas as pd. Then we called our data set called company data.csv. It's basically a sales data of a company. Here's the output of it. Then this is the scattered plot of the data set. Then we imported the train test split library module from the sklearn library, and in the below we imported stats module as we want some basic stats to predict the values of. So this here we can see that we use the train.predict method to predict some values. uh, here you can see that from sklearn.linear module we imported the linear regression, and below it we called it, and after that we printed intercept and slope so that we can get their values. And here in the last you can see that we got the predicted values for x and y both. Thank you for listening me.